Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 7 healthy benefits of pomegranate juice. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Pomegranate is one of the most nutritious fruits that its benefits are known to most people. Pomegranates contain many beneficial substances such as citric acid, calcium, magnesium, pectin, and a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, as well as several other key nutrients. They can provide benefits for several parts of the body. You can get all the benefits by drinking its juice without any damages to your body or your stomach, etc. Today's video is going to be sharing with you the 7 health benefits of drinking pomegranate juice. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 7. Reducing wrinkles. Vitamin C's role in skin is to keep all layers of skin moisturized and smooth. As we are getting older, collagen production reduces. This process starts from the 20s and gets lesser and lesser over time. The result of this would be wrinkles on the skin. Wrinkles are the most obvious signs of aging, which is caused by thinning of all 3 layers of skin: hypodermis, dermis, epidermis. Collagen is the most important component of the dermis layer. Decreasing collagen makes all these layers thin and dehydrated, which leads to elasticity loss of skin and appearing wrinkles. When you drink pomegranate juice, which is full of vitamin C, it helps collagen production. So your skin will remain moisturized as it was in your 20s. If you have wrinkles now, and you want to decrease their appearance, having pomegranate juice every day will help you a lot to eliminate the depth of the wrinkles and look younger. Number 6. Immunity booster. Pomegranates are the main source of vitamin C, which is great for fighting the common cold and flu. They're high in potassium, which stimulates brain and nerve function. Potassium also helps control blood pressure. Vitamin C found in pomegranate juice demonstrates anti-inflammatory effects and is used as complementary support for asthma and other respiratory symptoms, plus it enhances iron absorption in the body. Iron plays an important role in immune function. Vitamin C and antioxidants have made this drink a wonderful choice for improving the immune system. If you are interested in the ways you can boost your immune system, we have a video in our channel which gives you recipes of some delicious juices which boost your immune system. Number 5. Reducing stretch marks. Stretch marks appear when the dermis layer of skin is stretched more than its tensile ability. Most people have stretch marks on their skin, mostly on the tummy, thighs, chest, and buttocks. They occur on the tummy during pregnancy, and on the hips, legs, and arms with rapid weight gain. Many women who are in their post-baby era have to deal with stretch marks on their belly area. Some treatments claim to remove stretch marks appearance, but collagen is the best of them. As collagen moisturizes the deepest layers of skin and stretch marks are in the dermis layer, it can make new cells instead of damaged cells in this layer and help the stretch marks look better and more even. You cannot eliminate stretch marks at all, but you can treat them to become fader. As pomegranates help collagen production, it will impact a lot on reducing stretch marks. If you want to have better results, you also use some special oils for massaging to change the color of stretch marks and make them less noticeable. Number 4. Boosting the energy. As you know, the energy a human receives from food comes from the food you eat. A reaction occurs when the positive charged ions from food enter the digestive tract and interact with the negative charged enzymes. Pomegranate juice is one of the few foods that contain more negative charged ions, providing your body with more energy when it enters the digestive tract. The scent of pomegranate peel also has mood-enhancing and energizing properties. The smell of pomegranate peel can brighten your mood and help clear your mind. Number 3. Brightening the skin. Hyperpigmentation is a process in which dark spots develop on the skin, and the most common cause of it is sun exposure and environmental stress. This is not just harmful to your skin tissue, it also makes you look older, and your skin darker and more uneven than what it really is.
Vitamin C, a property that can be found richly in pomegranate, has a wonderful effect on lightening the brown spots on your face.
It does not matter what has made these spots, vitamin C can brighten them. Many eye creams have vitamin C in their ingredients because they can also reduce dark circles. Vitamin C antioxidants properties can combat these unwanted dark areas because it aids the production of melanin, which is an enzyme that can prevent hyperpigmentation. Number 2. Hydrating the skin. Keeping the skin hydrated is the best thing that you can do for your skin. If you always keep your skin hydrated, most of the skin problems won't happen to you in your lifetime. Hydrated skin is fresh, youthful, bright, and firm skin. The good news is that pomegranate juice is clinically indicated that can help to retain the skin water and prevent it from being oily or dry. Dryness of the skin can cause some skin diseases and skin allergies such as eczema, redness, cracking, and inflammation. A solution to have perfect hydrated skin is to drink enough water, using pomegranate juice, and for the external layer of the skin, you should use moisturizers. Skin dryness can happen for everyone at any age. It can also be a response to illness, medication, environmental damages, age, and many other reasons. Number 1. Helping you to live longer. Yes. It may be surprising, but a study has proven this claim. This study has found that people who drink pomegranate juice twice a week had a lower risk of death. The reason is that pomegranate is highly nutritious and contains various types of antioxidants that help your body to maintain young and fresh. It impacts every part of your body such as your liver. When you drink pomegranate juice, its detoxifying properties help your liver to work better. Helping your heart, your blood flow, boosting your mood and decreasing depression levels, helping you to maintain a healthy weight are the other benefits of pomegranate juice, which makes it a wonderful choice to drink. What about you? Do you like pomegranate juice? How often do you drink this juice? If you have experienced its benefits, feel free to share them with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.